Getting the colors in a portrait just right can be tricky. Let's learn to use the Vibrance adjustment in Lightroom Classic to easily get great skin tones.
Hi, this is Jamie from Envato Tuts Plus, and in this tutorial we're going to learn how to refine the saturation of a portrait using the Vibrance adjustment in Lightroom Classic. In my career as a portrait photographer, I've used the Vibrance adjustment every time I've retouched a portrait. Let me show you how to make Vibrance work for you.
Do you know about Envato Elements? Receive access to unlimited downloads of over 60 million creative digital assets, from presets to templates to stock images and so much more. With simple commercial licensing, this is a resource you won't want to live without. Check out the link in the description for more information about Envato Elements. For this tutorial, let's start by opening Adobe Lightroom Classic and find a raw image to edit. I'm going to use this self-portrait here. Now let's click over to the Develop module. You'll find the Vibrance slider near the bottom of the Presence header. Vibrance adds or removes saturation from the less saturated colors, while keeping already saturated colors relatively untouched. The effect of Vibrance impacts the cooler colors, such as blues and greens, while protecting warmer colors, such as reds, oranges, and yellows. This is important because the skin tones almost always fall in the warmer color range. Let's apply some Vibrance adjustments and see how it affects our colors. Let's go from 0 to plus 50 Vibrance, and all the way down to minus 50. Notice how even at these rather extreme movements of the slider, the skin color still looks quite good? This is because of the built-in AI to the Vibrance adjustment, protecting those warmer tones. It's worth keeping in mind that the way we see color is subjective. There are no right or wrong answers as to what colors should look like. Instead, there are infinite variations on what colors could look like.
The next time you go to edit a portrait, try the Vibrance adjustment before any other color adjustments and see just how useful this tool can be. I hope this has helped you better understand the Vibrance adjustment in Lightroom Classic. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more Lightroom tutorials.